if you're a Minecraft fan and you're excited to try out this lamp, you definitely want to check out the potion bottle color changing lamp. Very, very cool. So if you're a gamer like myself, super cool lamp. So how it works is it has an on and off button down here. It does not come with the batteries, so it's two AAA batteries. So I thought it was the double A. I should have just looked at the box. So it's a AAA, and you need a very small screwdriver to open that. So kind of like a the star screwdriver Phillips, but like a really mini one, not like a big chunky one, because there has to be a mini one to turn it on to unscrew it, and then you turn it off and on here, so you can turn it off, and then when you turn it on, it'll change color. So it doesn't change color on its own. You have to tap it, but like a little hard, not like touching it. You have to let me see. You have to kind of smack it. To be honest with you. So then changes color. I'll zoom out a little bit. So those are the colors that it does. So just keep in mind, it's more that you touch it around here, around the back. It can work over here too. I would love for it to just work like tapping it here, but it doesn't really do it. Like you have to really hit it a little hard. So it's letting you know, like it does take a little bit of a smack. So I wouldn't put it in a place that you're gonna like smack it and then it's gonna fall off and break, because this is plastic. So if this were to fall into the floor, it's going to break into a lot of pieces. So you want to just be gentle with it. Maybe grab it and then with your other hand, you tap it to the color you desire. So yeah, so you just kind of pick the color and it just stays like that. So it's pretty cool. So it looks just like a Minecraft potion. Very cool. So I hope you enjoy it. This is the rest of the box in the back, and that's what it is. So yeah, so hope you enjoy it and hope you have a great rest of your day.